In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search only YouTube with Perplexity. The trick is simple and incredibly effective. You'll guide Perplexity to focus on YouTube by including the phrase "on YouTube" at the end of your query. Think of it as a natural language filter. Instead of building a complicated search, you're just telling the assistant where to look. Here's how to phrase it. Type whatever you're looking for, then add "on YouTube." For example, you might write, "Best cooking channels on YouTube." You don't need quotation marks, they're just for illustration. Keep a space before "on YouTube," use lowercase, and press enter. Perplexity will interpret that phrasing as a request to surface YouTube-focused results. This works for all kinds of searches. If you're hunting for tutorials, try phrases like Lightroom masking tutorial on YouTube, or how to install Python on YouTube. For channels and creators, you might use jazz guitar channels on YouTube or beginner physics lectures on YouTube. If you're after product reviews or comparisons, type mechanical keyboard reviews on YouTube or mirrorless versus DSLR on YouTube. You can be as specific as you like. Add model numbers, years, skill levels, or languages. Just keep "on YouTube" at the end so Perplexity keeps the focus tight. Once you run the query, look for two things in the response. First, the summary or answer will often highlight relevant videos or channels. Second, the citations and links should prominently include YouTube pages. If you see the video titles you need, click through to watch. If the results feel too broad, stay in the same search box and refine your wording while leaving "on YouTube" in place. For instance, change "best cooking channels on YouTube" to "best vegan cooking channels on YouTube," or add a time frame like 2024 to steer toward fresher content. A couple of practical tips. If autocorrect removes the space or changes the phrase, retype it clearly as "on YouTube." You don't have to capitalize anything. If Perplexity mixes in non-YouTube sources, nudge it with more precise language. Add words like channels, playlist, tutorial, or review, while still ending with "on YouTube." And if you're exploring a niche, include distinctive terms so the assistant can zero in on the right creators and videos. That's all there is to it. Type your search the way you naturally would, finish with "on YouTube," and let Perplexity surface the most relevant videos and channels for you.